Kolkata is a city of emotions, of sentiments, of thoughts, of feelings that will make you rediscover yourself on a whole new level. It's as if the city is an entity of its own and its charm has a great hold on you. Kolkata is a lot like your first love, something you can never forget in this lifetime. No matter how far you go or how hard you try to get over it. Take a trip down the memory lane, and do you remember how your first love was a thrilling ride? Well, we feel that our bonding with the city of joy is pretty much similar when you get butterflies in your stomach just by the thought of it. So even if you are a Probashi Bangali who is living abroad or in a different state for that matter, you will always find yourself looking back in affection at the fond memories you had shared with the city. Paris is called the city of love, but Calcutta or Kolkata is called the city of joy, city of passion and warmth. If you live in Kolkata or have lived here before, you are bound to be passionate about everything, be it music, food, sports, or love. So come with me and feel the beauty of Kolkata. So I am near Maidan right now, which is also called the lungs of Kolkata. It serves as a wonderful respite from all the hustle and bustle in the city. Taking a stroll in the lush greenery of the huge Maidan is oh so warm. Here is located a residential skyscraper in Kolkata in the state of West Bengal, India, known as the 42. It is located in Chaurangi, the central business district of the city between Tata Center and Jeevan Sudha. It was first proposed in 2008, but construction was delayed for nearly 2 years. Construction of the building was topped off in 2019, making it the tallest building in the country at that time. The 42 is the result of precision and craftsmanship. Iconic is what it is called, the tallest skyscraper in the city and the east of India as a whole. Redefining glory and grandeur more than yesterday, the 42 is the pinnacle of today. With a myriad amenities, modern conveniences, immaculate infrastructure, durable materials and contemporary safety measures, it is an ecologically sound project as well. The Maidan, also referred to as the Brigade Parade Ground, is the largest urban park in Kolkata in the Indian state of West Bengal. It is a vast stretch of field that includes numerous playgrounds, including the famous cricket venue Eden Gardens, several football stadiums, and the Kolkata Racecourse. The Maidan is dotted with statues and architectural works, the most notable being the Victoria Memorial. Due to the freshness and greenery it provides to the metropolis, it has been referred to as the lungs of Kolkata. So, I am near Victoria Memorial, and it is a gravely sinful act not to visit the Victoria Memorial when you are in the city of joy. Take a moment to reflect upon all that you have done in your city and may yet do or want to do. Let the positive memories of your life wash over you and lift you in anticipation of what you may yet learn and accomplish. All the dreams of the future await you and are at the command of your resolve. The sparkling white marble beauty, a symbol of the British Raj in India, is one of the most majestic and elegant monuments not only in Kolkata but in the entire country. The grand structure, an epitome of beauty and grace, reflects the brilliant Indo-Saracenic architectural style that breathed in that era. Lord Curzon, Governor General and Viceroy of India during the British period, undertook the task of building this stately and spacious monument as a memorial to deceased Queen Victoria. Spread over 64 acres, the Victoria Memorial Gardens is the home to a myriad of statues and sculptures. A grand bronze statue of Queen Victoria placed on a bronze throne welcomes the visitors at the entrance of the garden, while a stroll around the garden reveals sculptures of Lord Curzon, Dalhousie, Hastings and Edward VII. The garden is a popular destination for morning walkers. So guys, we are here at Victoria. We're going to go to Prinsep Ghat up next. So stay tuned and stay with me. All in all, the gorgeous Victoria Memorial in the modern day relives the spirit of the Victorian era. Early in the morning every day, scores of amateur photographers and professional shutterbugs train their smartphones and lenses on the eastern part of the sky in Maidan to photograph the perfect twilight frames when the sun crosses the space between Tata Center and the residential high-rise building. So guys, I'm about to leave this place, okay, and I'm going to Prinsep Ghat. I don't know whether it's going to rain or not, or whether it's going to be sunny today, but whatever it is, I'll just enjoy myself and show you the places that I go to, and yeah, that's all. Stay tuned. Be it a walk through the long forgotten ancient lanes of North Kolkata, or a tram ride, or maybe a boat ride on the Ganges, everything is just therapeutic to the minds, and every Kolkatan will agree with the same. Visit the ancient ghats, get on a boat, and while you are lost in deep thought or just appreciating the scenic beauty, with the temple bells chiming at a distance, you will go through a soul-searching experience that just can't be put down in words. Built during the colonial era, Prinsep Ghat is one of Kolkata's earliest recreational spots. Both locals and tourists from other parts of the nation visit the place to spend moments of repose. The presence of the Hooghly River right next to it adds uniqueness and immense beauty. By far, the most iconic feature of this place is the Palladian porch that was built in the memory of James Prinsep, the renowned Anglo-Indian scholar and antiquary. The intricate Greek and Gothic inlays on this indomitable spirit of the self-made middle class, the city has created a beautiful juxtaposition of the old colonial era charm with the nascent upcoming hipster culture that thrives amongst the city's millennial residents. Starting from admiring the flourishing art scene in the city to going on rewarding gastronomical explorations to wandering amidst the countless bazaars to sitting by the banks of the Hooghly and enjoying a peaceful sunset with a cup of chai, Kolkata is soaked in layers and layers of heritage and culture. And peeling off each layer to look beneath the hood is a very rewarding, once in a lifetime experience. As the famous quote goes, if you want a city with a soul, come to Calcutta. If Paris is the city of love, Kolkata is the city of joy, passion and love. If you live in Kolkata or have lived here before, you are bound to be passionate about everything, starting from music, food, football, and ending with love. Drinking a steaming cup of cha or tea and taking part in energetic discussions about politics, sports, films, or music, it is a part and parcel of the daily life in Kolkata. If you wish to bask in the glory of being a Kolkatan, the perfect jodi of cha and adda will go hand in hand for you. I will be back with another video where you can enjoy the beauty of Kolkata in its true sense. So all of you, stay tuned, stay connected, and like and subscribe if you like my videos.